Here you will have to go to the VPC network. Okay, right here it is. You can click on this firewall. So there are some default firewall rules already available. Okay, hello Hadoop is a name, optional name. Okay, it won't accept underscore. We'll have to give hyphen. Now network is default anyway. We'll keep hello Hadoop is a name, optional name. Okay, it won't accept underscore. We'll have to give hyphen. Okay, now network is default anyway. We'll keep direction of the traffic, right? Direction of the traffic should be ingress, right? We are trying to access those US, and action on match should be allow. So now if you remember, right, while we creating Hadoop cluster, right, there we have specified network tag. We have to use the same tag over here. So based on that tag, then this will allow our firewall rules, right? Right, or whatever the setup or configuration we are defining. So it will allow those things based on our network tags. There our tag is Hadoop demo, if you remember, right? Yeah. Then so for this you have to specify your local IP, because you would like to access those two US, Hadoop admin and also job US from your local machine, right? For that you need to know your IP4 address. For that you need to type this command. Okay, this is my local address, local machine address, right? Now you have to specify this address based on. Now this is the thing where you will have to write 98708088. Okay, so create. Now this firewall rule will be created. Once it is created, then we'll try to access those US based on those ports. Okay, now it has been created. Okay, yeah, let us see. Firewall rule has been created. Now we'll try to access Hadoop admin and jobs window using these two ports, right? 8088 and 980. Usually admin will be available on 9870. So jobs monitoring is available on 8088, right? So for that, what you have to do, you have to go to the VM instance. Okay, because in our cluster we have 3 VM instances. 2 are workers, 1 is master, right? Usually we'll have to check VM instance external IP address. Okay, this is external IP address of the master node VM instance. Copy it. Okay, open user, right? Paste and 9870. This is where you will have your admin window. In the other window, you just same thing, paste, and this is another port to monitor job. These are the different jobs, right? Okay, so you can monitor, right? This is admin window, okay, where you can see the information about data nodes, right? And also come to the utilities and browse the file system, right? So now this is a file system. This is a folder we have created, right? Just click on it. Okay, you can see the file which has been copied as part of our earlier task. This is how you can interact with uh, Hadoop cluster using a UI interface. Okay, this is where you will monitor jobs. So as part of my earlier practice, so you can see some jobs already there, right? So now we'll go to again our uh, cluster master node file system. Here we will like to, as I already told, we will basically create some Hive table and we'll try to find some queries. Hive queries. Okay, type just Hive. Okay, now it will open up an Hive interactive shell. Okay, from where you will interact with the Hive using SQL. Okay, now you have Hive open, Hive shell open. Okay, show data bases. Okay. I think I don't see any. So let me create some database. Okay, we we will create a table related to vehicle source. So same thing. Let me create this database. Now this database has been created. Use the database.